Hi guys, so today we will show you how you will make khoya at your home. For this we already took fresh milk and this pan, and we will boil this this milk. Then I will show you everything. So please see this video till last. You will find how you will make khoya at your home. If you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So now start. So now I already took this milk, and already we have to put on fire. So we have to boil this, okay, and reduce. When this will be reduced, so I will show you. You have to shaking like this, okay. So when boil will come, so you have to do like this, okay. See, boil already come in our milk, so you have to do like this. So we have to reduce milk as this will be reduced, and also thickness will come, so this will be ready, okay. See, so you have to do like this. So I put low fire, so you have to do like this, okay. So now thickness also coming in our milk, see. So this is already half from before, see. So like this should be, you have to continue like this, okay. When you will do like this, so this will be thickness will come, okay. So now already this ready, but have to 1 or 2 minutes. You have to put a low fire, okay, okay, like this. You have to do like this, okay, like this. So now this is already done. So we have to put in freezer also till 15 to 20 minutes. Then this will be set, okay. So I remove from this fire, and now we have to put this in chiller, and after 15 minutes I will show you. We put in chiller for 15 minutes, okay. So when this will be ready, I will show you, okay. So now 15 minutes finished. See, our khoya is already ready, see. So now we can use this to make our this barfi or any dessert you can make by this khoya. So like this thickness should be. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. So till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.